YouTubers, welcome to another episode of VGO Tech. It's been a while and I've taken quite a bit of a break, but I decided to, since I have all this stuff, decided to do some reviews. So my first up is going to be this Bellroy wallet that I recently got. I thought it was an interesting concept idea, so I decided to give it a try. As you can see here, packaging is very nice. And it's the flip case 2nd edition. So let's go ahead and get started. You can see here, it's pretty simple. Now they have different colors. I think there's a blue, a black, and this color right here. Now, this flip case can hold up to 8 cards or 7 cards plus some cash. So as you can see here, it's not leather. I'm not sure what it is actually. I'm not sure what the material is. But it's pretty interesting. So, and I decided to try it out. As you can see here, there's grooves right here and here to open the wallet. So there's this front wallet right here, little owl right here for Bellroy. You see here, this part right here can hold 2 cards. And this back part here can hold a couple more cards and the cash. And as you can see here, this black looking divider, this is what divides the cards and the cash. So let's get some of my credit cards out. My awesome funny credit cards. We're going to take 2 cards here. You see here? They sit right in there perfectly. They don't move because this part right here is holding the cards. See? They barely move when you shake it. Easy to take out. Take out both of them. Or take out one at a time and just slide right out. Now the back part right here can hold, I think, up to 5 cards on this side. 1, 2, 5. You can see if you shake it a little bit, you can hear a little bit of sound. So we could probably fit 1 more card in, possibly. It says 5 cards, 7 cards altogether. So 7 cards. You can do 8 cards, but 7 cards and some cash. So as you can see here, can't hear it shake anymore. And I have some cash right here. As you can see, it fits right here in the front. It's a little tight. So this is where the cards come in. So it looks like we have to take 1 card out. And then the cash fits. So the front 2 fits 2. The side fits 1, 2, 3, 4, and some cash. Even though it says up to 8 cards, I'm not sure. You can try to squeeze 1 more card in. Oh, you can't actually. You just have to put the cash in first and then squeeze the card in. So in order to take out the card, easily take the cards out and take out the cash and take out the other 2 cards. And there you have it. This is the Bellroy Flip Case 2nd Edition wallet. Thanks for watching. I'll have more videos soon. Bye now.